That's a bedroom wall. No window was installed, no contractor came, no planning permission. The person who lives here is a renter. They've lived there for 8 months. When they move out next year, they'll leave no trace on that wall. But right now, tonight, they're sitting in a castle. This is the Simplify Tech Cine X. It's smaller than your phone. It costs less than a night out. And for the next 10 minutes, we're going to show you everything it does and everything it doesn't do, so you can decide if it's right for you. Because here's what most product videos won't tell you. This projector isn't for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly who it is for. Stay with us. Let's start with the thing you're already thinking about, the fake window effect. You've seen it on Instagram, you've seen it on TikTok. Bedrooms that look like they open onto a medieval castle, a forest at dawn, a snowstorm outside a cabin, an aquarium wall, the Harry Potter Great Hall with candles floating in the dark. People assumed you needed expensive specialist hardware, a specific brand, a wall mount, some kind of custom setup. You don't. Here's what you actually need: a video, a wall, and the Cine X. That's it. Play any video on your phone, point the Cine X at the wall, and your room becomes whatever's on the screen. Castle, beach, space, cyberpunk city at 2 a.m., forest, snowfall. Any scene you can find a video of, your room becomes it. There's no special mode, no scene pack to buy, no subscription. The projector doesn't know what you're projecting. It just projects. The creativity is yours. This is why we stopped calling it a projector in our own heads and started calling it a room transformation device. The hardware is the same. The possibilities are whatever you can imagine. Now, who actually built this and why? We kept seeing the same problem everywhere. TVs are permanent. They need wall space, wall mounts, wall permission. A decent TV costs $300, $400 before you've even talked about installation. You move apartments and the whole thing starts again. Meanwhile, people in dorms, rentals, studio flats, shared houses, people who move every year or two, were just living without a proper screen. Laptop on the bed, phone propped against a pillow, a tablet balanced on a stack of books. We thought that was a solvable problem, so we built the Cine X, a projector small enough to fit in a jacket pocket or bag, powerful enough to throw a 120-inch image on any flat surface, simple enough to set up in 60 seconds, and priced so that the decision isn't painful. No cables, no installation, no holes in the wall, no landlord conversation. You point it at a surface, press play, and you have a cinema. When you move, it moves with you. Same box it came in, fits in your bag. Out of the box, projector, power cable, remote. That's everything. First thing people notice is the size. You can wrap one hand around this. We've had customers take it to hotels, Airbnbs, camping trips, friends' houses. We've had people use it in their car on a road trip projected onto the roof lining. It genuinely goes anywhere. Build quality is solid, not plasticky. The lens is clean. The buttons are responsive. It feels considered, not like something assembled to hit a price point. Setup takes 60 seconds. And before you scroll past that claim, we mean it literally. Plug it in, point it at any wall, ceiling, door, or sheet. Turn it on. AI auto keystone and autofocus read the surface and align the picture automatically. Sharp edges, straight frame, correct aspect ratio. Without you touching a single setting, the picture is just there, ready. Phone mirroring is wireless. iPhone or Android, you tap mirror on your phone and your screen is on the wall. No cables, no adapters, no third-party apps, no pairing code. It works the first time, every time. Netflix, YouTube, anything you stream on your phone plays on the wall. Pull up a playlist, a film, a scenic window video, a game. It's all 120 inches now. One more thing on setup. The Cine X works on your ceiling. Lie on your back and watch a film directly above you. It sounds like a small thing. It isn't. Once you've watched something on the ceiling, you understand why people stop using their TVs. Now let's be straight about performance, because honest information is how you make a good decision. In a dark room, the image is genuinely impressive. Rich color, real contrast, sharp enough to read subtitles from across the room without leaning forward. Movies look like movies. Scenic window effects look like windows. In a fully lit room, it's washed out. You want the lights dimmed, curtains drawn if it's daytime. That's true of every projector on the market regardless of price. The physics of projected light means you need a darker environment for the best image. We'll always tell you that up front. Sound. The built-in speaker is strong enough for 1 or 2 people in a bedroom. Clear, decent volume. No distortion at normal levels. For a bigger room or a group, pair it with any Bluetooth speaker. The audio goes immediately. Gaming. Casual gaming, RPGs, couch co-op, anything where input lag isn't critical, works great. If you're a competitive player where milliseconds matter, you already know you need a dedicated gaming monitor. The CineX isn't competing for that use case. Let's talk about the scenarios where this actually lives. The student moving into a first-year dorm. Blank white walls, tiny room, no space for furniture, let alone a TV. The CineX is on the desk. Movie nights happen on the ceiling. The fake window runs during study sessions. The room feels like a room instead of a cell. The renter who's been told no nails, no brackets, no marks on the walls. The CineX sits on the bedside table, pointed at the wall opposite, 90-inch screen every night. Landlord never needs to know it exists. The person who travels for work. Hotel rooms all look the same. The CineX is in the carry-on, plugged in before the suitcase is unpacked, 120 inches on the wall of whatever room they're in that night. The couple who looked at TV prices and decided there was a better way to spend that money. The CineX on a shelf. Movie nights in bed looking at the wall or ceiling depending on the mood. Netflix projecting above them while it rains outside. These are the people who own a CineX. Maybe one of them is you. The questions we get most often: does it need Wi-Fi? The wireless mirroring uses your phone's connection. The CineX itself doesn't need to connect to your home network to mirror your phone. If your phone has a signal or data, it works. What about the fan noise? There's a fan. In complete silence, it's audible. Within about 10 minutes of watching something, you stop noticing it entirely. It has never once come up in a complaint from a customer. How big is the actual screen? That depends how far back you place the projector. In a standard bedroom from a bedside table, you're looking at 80 to 100 inches. Move it further back, up to 120. Move it closer for a sharper, brighter image in a smaller format. You adjust based on your room. Can I use it outside? Yes. On a white wall, a sheet, a white fence. At night or dusk, the image is vivid. Works well for backyard movie nights. Every CineX comes with 3 things that matter. 30-day money-back guarantee. Watch it every night for a month. If it isn't the best purchase you made this year, full refund, no conditions, no restocking fee. We email you the prepaid return label. You drop it at a post office. Refund processed in 3 business days. 6-month warranty. If anything goes wrong in the first 6 months on our end, we replace the unit, not repair. Replace. No lengthy process, no back and forth. Free tracked shipping. We ship from local warehouses in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Most orders arrive in 3 to 7 days, fully tracked from dispatch to your door. One honest note on stock: we run limited drops and the last several sold out quickly. If you're watching this and you want one, the link is below right now. We can't guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. No TV, no mount, no cables, no installation. A wall, a device the size of your fist, and whatever world you want to put on it. Link is in the description. Questions? Drop them in the comments. We read every one.